I almost fell over.
Oh god.
We need to get some food.
Flying high like the birds and the bees.
Okay. Oh my god. Where do I even start? Last weekend, me and my friends Ilka, Liv, and Liz went down south to Liz's farm for the weekend. I've tried to vlog most of it, but one, I fell off a quad bike, and two, I didn't really have that much storage. So Liz is now my cameraman because Liz films all of my vlogs. So thank you, Liz. Liz, you are now my new cameraman because I can't, it's not that I can't be bothered, it's that I either run out of battery, run out of storage, or I just forget to. So Liz is my new cameraman. I'll link Liz's channel down below like I always do because she just really deserves all of this because she films all of this for me. We went down south to Liz's farm. That morning I bought everything I needed, which was like boots, gloves, more shirts, and like that was it. We all headed and met up at Liz's house, hopped in the car, and her aunt took us down south to her farm, and we stopped at Chicken Trees for dinner. Healthy. 3-hour car ride down south later, we reach Liz's great aunt's house at like around 8:30, 7:30, around there, and we left at 4:30. So that was fun. And here's some of the footage that I got. Enjoy.
You want some ice cream?
It's cold!
It's too cold!
Here's the phone.
Liz,
you have all the phones.
No, she says yours.
I have it in my pocket.
What's yours from the zip? What's the zip?
Let's go get Skittles.
Yeah, just no, this is usually like.
That's for dogs.
Welcome to vlogging.
Look how many monsters there are.
Well, choose one.
Some vegans.
We don't know what we want. Yeah.
I haven't seen veggie chips in ages.
Veggie chips? Someone's getting robbed tonight, I'm telling you.
For legal reasons, that was a joke. She was kidding. She was joking. No one got robbed.
Vodka?
It's not
Beep, beep. We found them. Vodka?
I heard vodka.
For even more legal reasons, that was also a joke. I apologize about Ilka.
Wagon wheels. Have you ever tried wagon wheels?
No.
They're so good. You put them in the microwave and then they're like s'mores. I don't know. Any song you know. We go from the start.
Liz is the star of my vlog.
From the top?
Yeah.
From the top.
Okay, so before we went to the farm, I bought the Welsh's fruit snack thingies, and because they're Australian, they don't know what that is, so I recorded their reaction, like tasting it. So here it is.
I still have my gum in my mouth.
Is it actually healthy?
Yeah, it is. No, it's not. Ilka, why would you believe me? It's a gummy made in America. Of course it's not gonna be healthy.
It doesn't smell healthy. It smells like gummies.
It smells like it's literally sugar.
It's not sugar.
Eat it.
I mean, yeah.
Oh, eat it.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, you eat it.
It's got 47 grams of sugar in it.
It just tastes like a lolly.
Yeah.
It's not a
It's legit just
How do
like
you eat it? How do you eat a raspberry?
Hey, it's gluten free.
Livia, that's my.
And then you like roll over and they like flip over, you know?
Oh yeah, I've seen that.
And then you go like, and you sit.
Yeah, that's.
Liz!
What are you doing about me? That was the me, by the way. That was the me, by the way.
Hard arms.
Why you look so mad?
I just can't see.
This girl sleeps with a watch on.
No, I don't normally. But we're not going to bed yet, so I'm going to take it off.
morning, happy campers.
I don't think Ilka wants to be on camera. There's so many keys!
I don't know what half of them are for. Oh, that's the toilet door. That's the TV console.
Because I put my heater on so it's warm in here.
I put my heater on.
This is a...
Do you have it on all night?
no.
Leave it close.
I just stepped in something wet and cold.
The floor.
No,
Yeah,
my
no.
sock is wet and cold. Wait. What is that?
Caramel latte.
Oh, okay.
There's one away, get it.
No, but I want green tea.
Do you add milk to this?
Green tea.
No. No.
Caramel latte, yes.
But I think it has, yeah, it has milk powder in it.
Oh, there goes.
What, the tea or the... No, it's combined.
I have green tea every Friday and art.
Alright. In art.
What? What now? What can it possibly be?
I hit behind you the whole time.
Wow. Wanna jump the fence?
It's not electric.
These aren't electric.
Wow.
They look electric.
They're running away. Stop.
Sure. We're gonna go back to the laneway and then we'll go...
Hey, you guys better hold on this time. I'm driving.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh no.
No!
No!
Look at them
And we'll go to the rock paddock. There's this like unclimbable rock in the rock paddock.
Yeah.
And there's tadpoles as well.
Tadpole.
We can catch the tadpoles.
Like jumping in muddy puddles.
This kid.
I can do that too. Oh.
Aww. I clipped my things together. So easy they are to take off. I'll just carry them.
I don't remember where it is.
He said you did.
Wait.
Here's the thing of it. Here's the thing of it. Oh. Beer, push into the thick of it. See where we're going. I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Wait.
Don't let it die though.
Gives it a little
Pat,
CPR. Hey, tickles.
Okay, put it back. Put it back.
Just throw it. Oh, there's more. I think that one's slightly dead. Oh no, it's alive still.
There he goes. They're climbing up there now. Look how stupid they look.
Welcome to Adventures with Us. We don't know what we're doing, but we're crap.
So after that, we heard that one of the tractors got bogged, and we went to go look at it, and we stomped in the muddy puddles for so long, and they were so deep, they went like boot high. So like, here's a clip of us just walking through the field after we walked through a bunch of mud, which Olivia and Ilka are obsessed with.
It feels so light now.
Yeah, because they were in the mud the whole time.
Yeah.
Oh, yep, I'm still flipping.
Oh yeah, same. It's so deep.
Well,
And then we found like a big pile of sticks out in the back paddock that we just, decided to burn. This is our little fire that we toasted marshmallows on and boiled water on because you obviously can't do that on a big fire. So this is our little fire. And then in the next clip, you'll see our big fire. Wow. We also had dinner on our little fire that night.
old school, baby.
Olivia. Oh, there. Oh, I like that song. Oh,
Is the mug gone?
the mud on your face?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Is my mud gone?
Yes.
lighting changed. My lights are on now because it got dark outside. But after that, Travis and his friends came around. Travis is Liz's cousin. They came around, hung out with us for a bit, and we just chatted for a bit. I didn't want to shove a camera in their face, so I didn't record any of it. We went to bed that night. Anyways, right after breakfast, the boys were outside again. They came the next morning with their quad bike so we could go around the farm. Then we saw that our trailer was broken, so we couldn't use the trailer to bring all of us in, and Liz's aunt was not going to let all of us on one quad bike. Even though all the boys, like 4 boys, were on one quad bike, and she wouldn't let 4 girls on a quad bike. So we just like walked to the shed, and like we try to look at like the dead rabbit we saw the day before. The day before, there's like a big chunk where I didn't film because Ilka and Olivia wanted to go look for dead animals, and I don't think I should be putting that on YouTube. So there's like a big chunk of the day from the first day that I didn't record because we were just looking for dead animals half the time. We went to go look for the dead rabbit that we saw the day before. It was gone because a fox got to it. We literally just walked to the shed and came back, and it started raining. We didn't really care, but the boys' mom came and picked them up. So they left, and they were like, we'll come back when the rain stops. And the rain stopped, but they didn't come back, and they left their quad bike there. So we just never saw the boys after that. The next clip you're about to see is like after the boys left, on the second day.
So this morning, the boys came like really early because I went home last night. The boys came really early. They came with their quad bike, but their mom picked them up because it's like raining today. It's not raining right now though, but it's raining today. So we're taking each other back and forth to the mud. But the boys left their quad bike, so our idea was to have 2 on their quad bike and 2 on ours. But we don't know if we can use their quad bike because they kind of just like got up off their bike and like went home. So don't know about that, but I'm kind of just waiting here for the quad bike to come back because Ilka's driving everyone back and forth. So yeah.
And right after that, me being the absolute twig I am, fell off the quad bike going to go get Liz. So I went over the fence and crashed it, and I fell off it and went sliding at least 25 meters. So yeah, and I banged my head. And that entire day I was not feeling too hot, I will tell you that. I'm still in pain from that. It's been 3 or 4 days since I've gotten home, and I'm still in pain. But it's fine. Anyways, I screamed out for Ilka, and it took her 3 times. It took me 3 times to call her. Like, physically, like, Ilka, for her to, like, hear me. And she's at the bottom of the hill, and Liz is at, like, the top of the hill, and I'm in the middle. So why Liz couldn't hear me, I don't know. She probably went inside. Knowing Liz, I don't know. She's also very deaf, so. Then we walked up the hill, and we're like, Liz, get eyes right now. I banged my head, and she's like, did you fall in mud? Because she's on my side, and she was like, did you fall in mud? And I was like, no, I crashed your quad bike, actually. And she was like, oh shoot. So then she went running inside for eyes. I got some eyes, we went inside, we had some lunch. We stayed inside for a bit, because A, it was raining, and B, I was not feeling too cute. Took a couple painkillers, and then we played some Wii.
This is our 10th shot, so you get to keep going.
Literally impossible. I didn't know. I think this is gonna work.
Cement. Go!